how to pin your posts or photos on Pinterest. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily pin any of your posts on your Pinterest to your profile. So first thing what you can do is simply select any of your photos or posts that you want to include in your profile, that you want to pin into your profile. So what you can do is basically click on it, click on any of your random photos. Let me just select this one and just long press on it, on that particular photo or post, and you will be seeing this option, which is like a hook. So it basically saves, which means it is pinned to your profile. So you can simply check it out by going over to your profile from over there, or you can also click on this saved button over here, and as you can see, you will be seeing all of your pinned post over here. So that is exactly how you can easily pin your post or photos on Pinterest. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.